Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to make marshmallow coffee. Get ready to transform your regular coffee routine into something truly special and delightful. We'll walk through each step, ensuring you can easily recreate this cozy drink in your own kitchen. It's a fantastic way to add a touch of sweetness and a unique texture to your morning or afternoon pick-me-up. You'll be surprised how quickly you can whip up this indulgent treat. First, let's gather everything we need for this delightful drink. You'll want about 8 ounces of your preferred hot coffee, freshly brewed. Next, grab 3 to 5 large marshmallows, or if you prefer, a generous handful of mini marshmallows. Don't forget your favorite mug, a spoon for stirring, and a small kitchen torch or access to a broiler for that perfect toasted finish. Having these items ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now for the fun part, toasting those marshmallows. Carefully arrange your marshmallows on a heat-safe surface, like a baking sheet lined with parchment paper or on a skewer. Using a kitchen torch, gently toast them until they achieve a beautiful golden brown color and become slightly gooey. If you don't have a torch, a broiler works wonderfully. Just keep a very close eye on them for about 30 to 60 seconds to prevent burning. Finally, it's time to assemble your delicious marshmallow coffee. Pour your freshly brewed hot coffee into your favorite mug. Then, carefully place the warm, toasted marshmallows right on top. They'll slowly melt, creating a sweet, creamy layer that blends perfectly with the coffee. Give it a gentle stir if you like, or just enjoy the layers of flavor and texture. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.